you're a beginner or an intermediate, here are 5 books to improve your English. Welcome to 9M classes. My name is Sukanya and let's start. The first book on my list is The Alchemist. This is a magical tale and an inspiring one of how to chase the dreams. It actually follows a character called Santiago, who is actually a shepherd boy and he goes to find the true treasures of life. If you are someone who loves adventure and some philosophy, this book is absolutely for you. Second one is To Kill a Mockingbird. This novel deals with some serious issues which is seen through the eyes of this innocent boy called Scout Finch. And this is actually a very emotional as well as an eye-opening read. If you are curious about classical literature as well as something which is relatable to your life, this is absolutely for you. Number 3 on my list is The Diary of a Young Girl. This is actually a personal story which is very touching, and it absolutely goes around a teenager who is trying to hide during the World War II. If you are someone who likes to read the personal stories or to understand history, this is a very good read. Next is Ikigai. Have you ever wondered what makes life meaningful? This book is something like that. It gives you the tips to balance your life to make it more meaningful and a fulfilling one. This is perfect for those who want personal growth and to keep yourself motivated. And the last one, and one of my personal favorite, Fault in Our Stars. Grab some tissues before reading this book, as this is a very warm and a heart-wrenching story about 2 teens who are fighting off cancer and eventually fall in love. If you are a reader who really wants to connect to the characters and who don't mind to have a good cry, this is for you. Here's a bonus tip. If you are inconsistent in reading a book and who is not able to complete a book, this tip is for you. First one, try audiobooks because it will help you to go in a smooth way and it also helps you to listen while your daily chores. Second, always remember, don't rush. Keep your pace, read whatever you like and read at your own pace. Share this video with your friend who is not able to choose a book for reading. And don't forget to like and subscribe.